In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Buick LaCrosse key fob. This process is very easy to do. You won't need any special tools or anything like that. You will just need a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR2032 batteries. You can get these batteries online, and I will leave a link down in the description so you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. So go ahead and check that out if you are interested. First step is just to look down here on the bottom of the device where this key ring attaches, and you'll see right along the seam in the plastic there's a little indentation. There's a little space there. I'm going to take a flathead screwdriver, insert it into that space just gently, and once it's kind of wedged in there you can just twist gently and the device will come apart. You can just pull it apart now with your fingers, and now we have access to the battery in there. You can just push it out with your finger. You can also use your flathead screwdriver just to get it all the way out. Go ahead and dispose of your old battery. Take a new CR2032 battery and make sure the positive side that has that text on it is going up, facing up. So you'll slide it in, positive side up, and now we can just click the two pieces of the device back together. Make sure it snaps together nicely, and you are all set. I hope that video helped you out. And if it did, feel free to give this video a like, or you can let me know down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, check us out here on YouTube. We have videos for pretty much the devices for pretty much every maker model. And you can also get all of that information and more over at our website, fobbattery.com.